Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you guys can buy a Target gift card online. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe and notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to buy a gift card on Target online, we need to go to Target's website. So go to your browser and type Target website and then go to this website where it says www.target.com. Click on it. Now in the search bar, search for Target gift cards. Search for it. So these are all the gift card and you can choose whichever gift card you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy best mom ever gift card. I can just click on it and here's a lot of option over here. Now I can choose whichever card I want. Let's say I want to choose this one. Click on it and over here I can choose the quantity and the price of the gift card. I can buy a $10 one as well, a $50 one as well, and add a custom value over here as well. If I click on mail, it's gonna mail me a physical card. If I click on email, then it's gonna email me this card, and if I click on mobile, then it's gonna send me this card to my mobile, and through the Target app in mobile I can use the card. So let's click on email. After clicking on email, you can just click on add to cart, and once it's added to cart, you can click on view card and checkout. Now over here, this is my total price, $50, because it is a $50 gift card. So I can click on, now over here as you guys can see, I'm ready to check out. Click on it. Now you can enter your email or phone number and your password of your Target account. Sign in. After signing into your Target account, it's going to take you for billing, and then after filling up a credit card detail correctly, you should be able to order a Target gift card online. So that's basically how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.